Hey, I know your question. I know, why am I not getting views? Why is nobody watching my stuff? What is going on? Well, I'm going to tell you two reasons that most likely you're not getting the views you desire. The first one you may not be willing to own, but I challenge you to really think about this deeply. Number one, if you are creating content, creating videos to literally just check a box, that's right, check a box. I did it today. I'm consistent today. It's not going to land. It's not going to land. If you're creating content to hope somebody buys from you today, also not going to land. You're going to be really disappointed with those results because the intention behind the content matters. If I'm doing it just to be consistent, if I'm doing it just to check a box, it's never going to land the way you desire. Okay. The second thing is that you don't know who you're talking to, or you're talking to everyone. Like, get to know your person, use their language, say the things that they say to themselves so that they feel like you're literally in their head. And there is no possible way that they can scroll on by because they have to hear what you said because you just called them out. And then you called them up. Where do you not know your person? Where I know. The first webinar I ever created back in 2018 is the secret to attracting your ideal client. Nobody wants to know our ideal person. But guess what? Dan Kennedy, I think it is, who says the person who knows, or the marketer or this business owner who knows their person the best wins. You have so many tools at your fingertips that you can learn more about your person. You have so many things that are available to you. ChatGPT, market research, actually talking to human beings, like find out what their pain points are, find out what the words are that they're using and utilize them accordingly to answer their questions. Okay. And I'm going to give you a bonus tip because I think this one is really important. And a lot of times we don't think this is the problem, but sometimes we're just boring. You can go back to that checking the box game and really not into it, but sometimes we're just boring. Stop being boring. Actually love what you do. Love the results that you can bring other people, and it will shine through every freaking thing that you do. Okay, so you have three things. Number one, stop checking boxes. Stop checking boxes, right? Number two, make sure that you know who your ideal person is. Know them like the back of your freaking hand. Okay. Number three, which is your bonus one, is make sure that you aren't boring. Just don't be boring. Don't be bored with yourself. Like, be excited yourself and watch that transfer through the screen to your audience. Work on those three things. And I challenge you to reach back out to me and let me know how that changed for you. And also, if you self-identify with one of these right now, make sure you drop it in the comments so that this is the one I'm going to work on. Like, challenge yourself, create right now an opportunity to be accountable by dropping it in the comments, and then come back and let me know how that goes.